On the eve, strong downpours simultaneously hit Egypt, which led to flooding, covered with a hurricane, hail and a powerful sandstorm. This impressive yet terrifying footage was filmed near Cairo. A wall of sand rolls over the city, swallowing block after block, street after street into darkness. Visibility is almost zero. Traffic on the roads was paralyzed, and many drivers were forced to stop and wait out the storm. Classes in schools were cancelled, residents were asked not to go outside and tightly closed the windows. At the same time, a powerful hurricane hit the cities of Alexandria. Hurricane winds and heavy rainfall led to flooding. There was a lot of material damage. In 2021, natural disasters have become more frequent. We are